8th of June 2025. Look, watch, and see. Can you connect together? Your eye look and your mind watch together. Look, watch together. Then it go to the axis. When you look and watch mindfully, my way. I look and watch mindfully. How? Look and notice. Notice what you look. Watch mindfully. Okay? When you notice what you look, you can see clearly. So this approach is from my experience. One day I just told myself, today I will not get lost. My eye not lost. When I look, I must see clearly. I look at you, I see clearly. How to see clearly? You must see clearly. Now you look at me. If you look only, you see from your eye, you can see only master in front. If you look from your eye and see from your mind, you can see even yourself sitting and listen to my talk. Look, you see something in front by eye. But if you see from your mind at the axis, you can see this body now sitting, doing nothing, only sitting and breathing in and breathing out. You can see outside by your eye and see yourself by your mind. Or you can see outside by your eye, connect to your mind, okay? And your mind also can see yourself, okay? You wake up. You get more consciousness. So in daily life, your eye open the whole day, but you lost the whole day, okay? Like a drunken man. A lot of thought. Then you got a lot of thought in your head. Now just look and see clearly. Then it go back. Your mind will go back. Okay? Look and see clearly. Your mind go back. See clearly means see yourself together. Open eye, because this session I will teach you how I can learn opening eye meditation from the great master. The first patriarch of the Zen Buddhism. He passed away more than 1,500 years ago already. But after I just read his teaching in the sutta, in the doctrine, I just immediately I connect with him, okay? And then I just wake up. Wow! Now I just look and see myself sitting and breathing. Even your eye with me, can you see from behind? See yourself, this person sitting and breathing. Can you see? If you cannot, look up. You might flip back. Look up. Okay? And then look normally. Look up one time. You might flip back. And then look normally. You might turn back already. Okay? When your mind turn back, look up again. With your eyeball go up a bit. Now open eye. Your mind wake up from thought already. Okay? Now you develop this mind. This mind will connect to the access, to your spirit, to your higher consciousness, and to the universal consciousness. Okay? If your mind, this mind in your thought, monkey mind cannot connect anything. A lot of traveling with thought, monkey mind. Just flip your mind back from the monkey mind. How? Look up. Maybe look up the ceiling. You flip back already. And then stay conscious, stay knowing consciously here. Okay? And stay knowing you're breathing consciously from here. People don't know they focus by eye. Focus by eye, it go to your thought. Okay? Because we focus, our eye focus only when we make money. Because we have to think a lot how to make money. But we focus our breathing, we not make money. Okay? We just let go all attachment. Then we don't need eye and brain. We don't need eye and brain. We just flip our mind back. How to flip back? Look up. And maybe if you close your eye, look up, and with your eyeball go up a bit. And then smiling up, the corner of mouth go up. And now open eye. You know where it is now? It's God knowing and seeing this person. So now you don't worry. Have to look up. Look up. Don't have to. Whenever you got knowing yourselves, knowing, seeing, knowing, seeing, it come back. Okay? Knowing yourself, seeing yourself. Okay? Now, can you seeing yourself? How you got relaxed? How you got movement? Can you see? Can you see now? Just you practice yoga. Can you see? From behind, can you see? Now move your body. And can you see the movement from behind? Then whenever you know where it is, you don't have to look up. But you just know where it is. Where it is, just seeing this body, action, bodily movement, okay? And where it is, body action, body movement, and see the whole breathing to the pause. Now don't have to look up because you know already. Before you only put concentration, only the beginning of breathing, in and out, okay? But whenever it already there, it see the whole breathing. Because you go back, not too close. If I go very close, I cannot see anything. Okay? Then I have to, 11 o'clock. And seeing this person together. Okay? So that's why you just seeing yourself. Now seeing yourself, I give you how to see yourself. You know the darting game? You know the darting game? Now, everybody play darting with me now. Darting and hold. And let go. It wake up already. That's right. Again, darting, hold. Noah, knowing this person. Noah, seeing this person. This is clear mind. And stay there. And awareness and see this person from here. If this wake up already, you don't have to look up, but only keep smiling up. Now it's already there already if you're smiling up. Only when you sleep and fall asleep and then don't know how to wake up, then you have to look up and maybe you have to keep your eyeball go up, bring back, flip it back. But once it already come, don't have to look up, only smiling nicely. It's always here, smiling, and then no pause. Feel your pause. Smiling. Pause. Can you feel pause? Okay, now finger movement. Can you feel touching? Smiling, touching. Can you feel movement and touch? Movement and touch. Two fingers. Feel touch. Feel movement and touch. Movement and touch is open. Feel more gentle touching. gentle touching or pause. Pause. Long pause. Long pause. Pause. Okay? Make it long pause. So people don't know you are practicing meditation. You just, okay, put your hand on your lap and then touching, movement and touch, feel touching, feel pause, feel more pause, long pause, long pause, long pause. It's open. Okay? Now, more touching. Okay? Can you feel more touching? That's why we got breathing meditation. You know breathing? You know breathing? Have you seen breathing? Put 100 egg and breathing. People don't know. They just move. Cannot get into the access. But if you move and feel the touch, gentle touch. Okay, maybe you can feel, okay, gentle touch from this finger to this finger. Can you feel? It brings you to calmness. More feeling touch is more open. Okay? That's why, you know, when you got stressed, you are in hospital, they have a stretching ball to help you reduce stress. You got a lot of panic, you need a stretching ball. Then it's open. You free from stress. Understand? That's why this is applied side mindfulness in hospital. Okay? So maybe when you go to hospital, bring small ball with you. Where you, very scared. Then feeling. Your mind wake up, more consciousness open. Then no scary at all. Okay. So that's why I advise you sleep with a big pillow underneath your head and small pillow, small one underneath your neck. You can rely. When you fly, they have a round pillow. This is the same. Feel touching. No thought at all. Okay? But I don't need small pillow. But I rely, you bring Buddhist teaching to make a good product, small pillow. For sale, very good. It comes from Buddhist philosophy, more awareness. And this awareness also in the Thai tradition massage. After massage here, then the last one, and finish. And then $100. Okay? Okay. And now, also, now, feeling the whole body first. And feeling relaxed, back. And now, you got seeing yourself already. Can you see far and near? If you see from here, you can see far and near. Can you see far and near to yourself? Can you see from here, from the left to the right? More expand. Seeing far and near, seeing from the left to the right. Can you see all 180? Okay? Can you see surrounding around? Or maybe more than 180, okay? Can you see around? This is how to get more consciousness wake up. Sometimes you very depression. Then just see the sky. The sky is 360. When you see the sky, at least you got 180. Okay? See the sky, then you can reduce stress or depression. That's why if you got depression, just open the window, see the sky, sky. Your eye sees sky, your mind sees sky. Your mind always sees sky. Okay? And now I will bring you to more emptiness and absorption into emptiness and consciousness. Now can you see far and near? And if you can see far and near, see master, see yourself, then you can see all surrounding with friend, with nice surrounding, nice room. Can you see all together? If you can see far and near and far, all surrounding, you wake up already. And then you free from thought. People don't know how to come out from thought. Sometimes you got thought, difficult. Don't know how to stop thinking. You try to stop thinking, they not allow you to stop thinking. You only see far and near and far, near to yourself, near to your posture sitting, near to your bodily movement. Okay? Then thought become less, and see far and near and far. See all from this side to this side. Panoramic view. Can you open your eye more panoramic view? Okay? Really calm. And then notice seeing this person. When you can see things around, then practice seeing this person. Who is this person? When you see from your mind, pure mind, notice and see, you can see this person into 4 elements. Okay? Your eye cannot look into 4 elements. Okay? Your eye only look at your telephone, but you can see this person is 4 elements making a phone call, 4 elements talking on the phone call. And this lunchtime, you have food, but now you can see from here, see this person taking food, eating. More you seeing from here, you got more knowledge. First, you are eating, more seeing from here. No, you. It's only 4 elements. 4 elements eating, 4 elements. 4 elements eating, 4 elements. 4 elements eating, 4 elements. This is very good vegetarian. Vegetarian, not only eat vegetable, but eating emptiness. Okay, 4 elements eat 4 elements. 4 elements eat 4 elements. Emptiness. So that's why, a monk who live in forest, sometimes they cannot cook. Okay, they go for food, and then sometimes we don't know, maybe spoil food. Okay, but the monk just contemplate, seeing himself. 4 elements eating 4 elements. 4 elements eating 4 elements. Everything only 4 elements. No spoil food. Okay, only 4 elements. 4 elements. Then even you eat, okay, even it's spoil food, but it's no problem for you. Okay. Now today you got sickness. Anybody got sickness? This room? Sickness? Oh, you are very healthy. Only 2-3 person got sickness. Again, I will teach you how to take care of your health. Now, just see this body into 4 elements. Because you got this person as you, this is me. When you got cell, you got sick. When you see this person, just not you, it's 4 elements. Sickness gone away. Can you just regard this body? No, not you. It's only 4 elements. Okay. Sometimes you got fever. It's only 5 elements. You just regard this body. four elements. And now, can you see far and near? Near and far. Outside, inside. Inside is four elements. Now, you can see more inside four elements. And four elements inside got pause or not? Pulsation got pause. Warm and cool got pause. Can you feeling pause, notice pause of body inside? It's more awareness on boundary, okay? So in the beginning, we notice pause of body movement. And then we notice pause of breathing. And it happened by itself. If you notice more pause of breathing, it opens up to more pause of our body inside. Okay? And that is the openness to freedom of mind, clear conscious mind. So this session, we will develop mindfulness, notice bodily movement and pause outside, bodily movement and pause of breathing. After that, it comes by itself. If you can notice inhale and pause, you can recognize something. Inside got fire, got temperature, got movement, got changing. You can recognize arising, disappearing, arising, disappearing. Disappearing is pause, okay? For the bodily movement, we call pause, 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 touching, touching, touching. But when you got any kind of feeling, it's arising and then it's disappearing, we not call pause, we call disappearing, okay? So now you got more insight, seeing into arising, disappearing of our mental phenomena. For body, we call pause. For mental phenomena, we call disappearing. You understand now? So now, but how to recognize all mental phenomena arising and disappearing, thought arising and dissolve? Just develop space first. Because now you got stuck. You just do meditation from 4 elements. Actually, you got 6 elements. You only practice from 4 elements. Then you cannot deepen your meditative state. You have to open eye. I told you already that there is space in your eye. Can you just see and not blinking your eye 5 seconds? Make your eye big eye size. Space in your eye socket will be open and expand. This is my technique that I learned from the great master of Zen, Bodhidharma. He sitting in the cave, facing the wall of the cave for 9 years. I wonder myself, he closed eye or he opened eye. I found already from his teaching, the sutta, from the doctrine. This doctrine say, opening eye meditation is most powerful. You can expand your mind. Space and consciousness wake up very fast. Can you open eye widely and not blinking your eye? How? See the nature. See the sky. You practice every day. See the sky, see the nature, see the ocean. It's more space, and all the chakra open up. Okay? Space, then everything functioning in the space. When you got into space, you can see the whole chakra functioning properly. Okay? Just see the ocean, see the sky, because this your daily life. You with the ocean, see the ocean, then good things come to your life. Because when your mind emptiness, you got good energy. But your mind got thought, you got bad energy. Okay? How to empty your mind? See the sky, see the ocean. And now when you see the sky, the ocean, nice, beautiful ocean, what happened? Your eye not blinking. Okay? But if you see $1,000, wow, your eye blinking a lot. That's right. You see, oh, beautiful girl, your eye blinking with desire. Okay. But if you see beautiful nature, your mind become one with the nature. Your eye not blinking. That is, we call there is a great master in Thailand. One great master passed away, 99 years old, 7 months, about 5 years ago. He teaching sky meditation. You got beautiful sky. You don't have to close your eye. You open, but you open your eye, you not see the sky. But now you open your eye, can you see beautiful sky? Okay, it's changing. Oh, sometimes it's cloudy, sometimes it's nice weather, sometimes it's sky. It got different shape. Can you see? That is sky meditation. Okay. And now you see the sky, your mind more open or not. That's all. And feel you are sitting on Mother Earth, big earth, and big sky. So, if you want to close your eye, open your eye consciousness, big sky first. And then you don't have to look up because it open already. And it open connect to here. When you close your eye, it look like it open and it come from here. More notice is more open. And now, just, okay, now no sky, no ocean here. How to see in this room? Can you just see emptiness? Not make any judgment. Man or woman, boy or girl, no difference. Not make any judgment. This is man, this is woman, this is me, this is mine, this is your. Can you just see emptiness? So that's why this is my experience. Emptiness meditation. I don't need to open eye and I don't need to close my eye, but I can close my eye. But open eye, I got very fast. I just see thing emptiness. No man, no woman, no boy, no girl, just human being. Everybody the same. No young, no old, no aging. Everybody just the same. Human being. No man, no animal. Everything the same. Is all sentient being. Okay? Can you see it this way? Life is not long. If you just see man, see woman, then when you near to death, your mind always think about man and woman. You want to got friend with you to the next life, but they know you go alone, you die alone. I want to go with you. I don't want to go with you. Okay? So then before you die, you free your mind. No man, no woman. Just all being. Okay? And you can see no man, no woman very easily because beautiful nature. Man and woman got movement or not? Man and woman got transformation or not? You got transformation every minute. You got movement, you got transformation. The nature got transformation. Can you see transformation of everything in this room, everybody? Now when you not close your eye, how to see emptiness? You can see just transformation. You want to connect to the universal consciousness? When we go more practice, we go to universal consciousness. And what the consciousness? What the universe? In the universe, it's like all the planet got movement or not? All the planet got movement or not? And it got nebula. It got transformation or not? Can you just recognize people on the street? It's only a planet. They never walk and hit together. They got their own air orbit. You can recognize things, everything around you is only the planet. They not hit together. Okay? And they walk their own orbit. And then you can recognize transformation. your mind emptiness of thought and emptiness of the feeling of self. Okay, now just see how to see transformation. Can you see in depth and in width? Or can you see 3 dimensions in this room? I see you, I see more dimension. He's sitting here, she's sitting farther. I can see far and near. Can you see far and near? No thought, emptiness. Okay? Can you see in depth and in width? Even my eye see in front, but my eye got awareness, consciousness, see more 180 or more 360, see myself. So now in daily life, just see things in the reality is only changing, transformation. It's not you, it's not your, then your mind stay calm and conscious. And now, when you see things as transformation, as we call impermanent that is got changing. When you see the reality, what happening to your breathing now? When you see the reality, your breathing so nice, smooth, soft and gentle, and it very slow motion pause. More slow motion pause, more you open up to space and consciousness. First, I tell you, like notice pause. Breathing in, pause. Breathing out, let go. Breathing in, pause. It go to access. This is access. But when you want to get into the access, you need more gentle, slow motion pause. Can you feel your breathing got very soft and gentleness? Pause. And you feel good, feel relaxed. More gentle pause, you get more relaxed. So when you regard things, it's only transformation. Everybody got pause. Outside things got pause. Got movement and pause. Got movement and pause. The reality of all things in the nature is transformation. Movement and pause. Movement and pause. Now you got more higher consciousness wake up. So to develop higher consciousness, you have to develop in daily life. See emptiness of all things in the nature. What are emptiness? It's there, but it's not you, not your. It's only the nature. Okay? Now see the nature of thing around, then you get more awareness seeing the nature of this body. Got fire element, okay? Got wet or got four element. And sometimes you got pain, you just see it's only the nature. Pain on the body, but not suffer to your mind, okay? Before you got pain a little, really suffer a lot, okay? So now, stay there. First, I tell you, just notice mindfully. But now, I tell you, just notice consciously. It's more soft. Can you notice consciously your breathing now? Look up first because you not wake up. If you wake up already, you don't have to look up, but only smiling up. It's open already, okay? But today you still need to look up and smiling up. And then it flip your mind back. When your mind flip back, it more open up. And now notice your breathing consciously. Before you practice mindfulness, I tell you, notice your breathing in mindfully. Notice your breathing out mindfully. Now you get a bit wake up with consciousness. Then you know what consciousness. Can you feel consciousness? Can you feel more consciousness? Now feeling more consciousness by not feeling and notice breathing in consciously. Feeling and notice your breathing out consciously and close your eye. consciously. It come up from your heart. Stay conscious, okay? Stay conscious, know what you know the way it is. Know breathing in, then breathing out, and know the thought. It is only the way it is. The way it is of breathing is, it got breathing in and pause, and then breathing out, okay? Can you know the way it is? How to know the way it is? Breathing in consciously. Breathing out consciously. Then you get more consciousness. Wake up with knowledge, thing arising, thing disappearing. Breathing in, then breathing out. Breathing out, then breathing in. And it got paused together. Now you just knowing the truth. Things arising, things disappearing. All things in the universe arising and disappearing by itself. Sometimes you got happiness arising, happiness disappearing. You got unhappiness arising, unhappiness disappearing. This is the true characteristic of all things in the nature. It's impermanent. When you realize things arising, things disappearing, then you regard everything as non-self, not you, not your, okay? It's only just phenomena. Things arising, things disappearing. Now you get insight seeing into the reality, things arising, disappearing. Then it more dissolve. All your attachment for long time, 10, 20 years, it now release. And then you get more consciousness, more wake up, nicely, beautifully. And now, even you open eye, can you just realize, recognize things arising, disappearing? Everybody in this room cannot sit and not move. You sit only and not move? No, you have to sit and move. Or you move, or you just walk and not sit down. Sometimes you walk and sit down. We call things arising, things disappearing. Not make any judgment, okay? Just only the reality. Whatever you make a judgment, but it actually, reality is thing arising, thing disappearing. Thing arising, thing disappearing. Then no suffering to your heart. Okay? Even you got pain on the body, it's thing arising, it's disappearing. It happened, then it disappear by itself. Then don't worry. Okay? Your husband, your wife talk a lot. Thing arising, thing disappearing. He or she stop. Okay? Himself, herself. Okay? Thing arising, thing disappearing. Now you're breathing, even you open eye, can you recognize thing arising, disappearing of body into four elements? You get more wake up from thought, and wake up from desire, wake up from attachment, wake up from illusion or illusion. Thing arising, thing disappearing. And now it's the time disappearing now. 11:30. Then everything happen, and then it come to the end of session. But if you want to continue, I always giving talk every day. It depends on where I am. Sometimes 7 p.m., 8 p.m., 9 p.m. If you're interested, just connect in the group with Marcella, add in the group. Then I will update my teaching and update my passcode of the Zoom, okay? And now very happy. You got a lot of benefit from my teaching, okay? Yes. Yeah, because I teaching from my heart, okay? I teaching to develop my spiritual journey, okay? I just happy when you come and you get more improvement, more understanding, more knowledge. Then I get more knowledge. Okay, I can recognize more and more. Okay, thank you so much. And probably I might come back New Year time because my visa expire on 9 January. I will come back. Possibly, I will confirm again about maybe the second week, maybe 7 or 8, but I'm not sure. Go to Christchurch first, or go to Auckland or Tauranga first. If I go to Christchurch first, then maybe the end of January. Okay, and then I just keep update in the group. Okay, and then see you next year. And then if you have any question, you can send any question in the WhatsApp group. Okay, and if you want to continue to learning, because I have my own style, unconventional teaching. I teaching from my spirit, not teaching from my PhD. I always return PhD to my master, my teacher in the college already. I research myself. Okay, and then that's why I got more direct connect. If I always teaching from what I learned from my head, I cannot get connect with you. Okay, this is I learned from pureness, from my heart, and then everybody feel joy, happiness, and calmness. Every moment with joy, happiness, calmness, and now consciousness. Thank you so much.